Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy Bitcoin on Bitget wallet. Keep watching the video till the end. To buy Bitcoin on Bitget wallet, firstly go ahead and launch open your Bitget wallet application. The home page of Bitget wallet application will appear on the screen. Click on Buy option. From the pop-up, tap on Buy Crypto. From the options displayed on the screen, select the token that is BTC Bitcoin. Choose the Bitcoin quantity that you would like to buy and tap on Next. Choose your payment method, follow the instructions till the end, and that's how you will be able to buy Bitcoin on Bitget wallet quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.